So we just there for inside studio. They talk about different things them, and the only thing we will talk tell you today will be Friday. Be say just live every moment, every minute, every hour as you say now your last day. Just live them. Just stay happy. Just live your best. Just smile at people where you meet. Just don't let anybody kill your joy at all. Just live every minute, every second, every hour as if saying now your last. Today na Friday, our comedy day, and today good day very, very wonderful because we don't package plenty things them to make you enjoy yourself. But I could just introduce myself. My name is Uvi Ehiga Musoy, and the ladies them they're inside the studio to put mouth inside all the matters, and they're going to don't cover themselves too.
Uvi,
my love.
If you didn't offend you, I better forgive us.
She never
even me.
I need to beg. I need to beg.
What's happened? Even me, if I do anything, forgive me.
Maybe Kiram.
No. What me okay?
I don't know. Maybe key fish.
All right, the ladies them. The intelligent ladies. The wonderful ladies. Amaka get good news, but no worry. We will keep on for now. They for inside box. There's good news there for inside box. And we're happy for you. They will actually enjoy cover themselves.
Oh yes, like when we talk, I beg. Live every day like it's your last day. If you want to sing, whether you sing off key or not, sing. If you want to dance, whether you dance off beat or not, dance. Anything you want to do because it make you happy. Not because they look the next person's face. My name is Bettiana and welcome to Talk.
Bettiana just talk, even if that's I know one very wonderful person. You know yourself when you watch, you know yourself. If you hear this person's voice, hey, Father in heaven, and the person can like to sing.
Are you serious?
Because when they sing, they disturb your eardrum.
Who be the person?
One of my friends, I know about talking, they were no for my my name is Maka Okudiafo.
All right, then so make you live your day like saying at the last. I say chop anything where you feel say they hungry you.
Yes, so
yeah.
That was
you got to
support yourself.
Chop anything where you know say they hungry you. Because you don't know it in the next minute they talk. If God bless you, you get the money. You know, say it's too expensive. Eat them. Now, person where they alive, they make the food for. Person where don't die, I tell you now. 6 feet now. Only where they think for around be that. All right, so my people, on to the Friday things. My own name still remain Queen B or Balu.
All right, you know after they start every Friday. Which is hallelujah.
Then they say
do you know what, Amaka? You're not getting into the matured woman mood. Oh, that's not why you're not correct.
How you spray my tongue?
So you know I'm done to matured woman look. All right, so maybe take about Celebrity Friday totori. And our totori today now Elizabeth.
Johnson.
Johnson.
Lizzie Benson.
All right, I beg. Maybe watch this video, I beg. Watch this video, please. Come back.
Elizabeth Benson, na Efik-born actress wey everybody sabi as Liz Benson. She start to dey act film when she be 5 years old. She start to dey climb the better ladder when she act for inside one popular television soap opera wey dem call Fortunes for inside 1993, and now she act the part of Miss Agnes Johnson for inside the soap opera. For 1994, she act inside Glamour Girls, we call make her popular well, as it be say the film took eye for inside prostitution and some other badness there, and this one can't change her fortune to fortunes. Her husband been pie when she dey her middle 20s. Just when people start to dey enjoy her well, now then she decide she won't come up from inside acting. She can't become born-again Christian. Can't start to preach the gospel for 2009 inside one quiet court ceremony for Abuja. She married great Bishop Emaya for Rainbow Christian Assembly for Warri Delta State. As she evangelized, now so her husband Seth Emaya they preach inside Warri Delta State. Before she come up from acting, she don't show herself for plenty Nollywood film them like Evil Men 1 and 2, Shame, Conspiracy, Izaga, Burden, Stolen Child and some other movies them. Now, Liz Benson they live with her husband for inside Delta State. Together, two of them they run ministry for Freedom Family Assembly. Well done, Liz Benson. Will be our crush for today.
Yes. Okay, I'll say you enjoyed that particular one. Yes.
Oh, yes.
We actually appreciate her because I remember there for Glamour Girls.
Thank
Glamour
you.
Girls.
Now the movie went in my head. Now Glamour Girls make her blue.
Yeah.
Really.
But even at that, she get this motherly. Mama G can actually take her place because of the extra way that one add to the thing. But you know, say Liz Benson, a mother for movie way. They very calm. Just take her mercy be. She can cry. That woman can cry for Africa.
But for me, if Liz Benson has good woman, I know they believe her.
You dey prefer
No,
me
for
she
diamond drink, she be there okay.
Oh, I know they
Diamond drink. Now her
So
son
she
don't
okay.
be
Be bad
But when
person.
she adds good woman, I know they believe her. It's just like Patience now. If she adds good woman, I could not say yes, something must happen
You know
at
they
the
even they
end.
fit am
You know
sef.
they
So
fit her.
Today good, no they fit am. When she does a bad, they go like that.
But you know the funny thing about Liz Benson, I happy say yes, she decided to finally stop to the act, but as she can't become
Born again.
pastor,
Evangelist.
yes. I say look and say we know they really hear of her again because if you become evangelist, no mean say you go just
Give up like
give
that.
up.
No, not be matter
It's just
of
like
give
you
up.
carry her. We still they see her.
We still
She
see
still
carry
outside the
her,
MVCA because I see her for the last MVCA.
Yeah, show up
But
once in
the
a
thing
while.
about say for the industry, a lot of people need to learn from these people. Say, okay, it will get stage where you need to give room for the younger generation where they come up. You understand? You know, go there for her. The entertainment industry now a very, very I go call them short industry because after a while you go need to enter that godfather, godmother status and allow younger ones to come up. You know, go die put for inside there.
Okay.
All right, but we celebrate you today on Top
yes.
Talk. So make we just go deep into what we carry come today. Now you know say today with every Friday they talk about some kind of funny things, zero relationship and all of them. But today we go actually give you 5 signs to show say you don't tire for that your relationship.
I think give you 15.
But from that one, 5 one will collect from that one what you get. 5.
I'm okay, go away.
Number 1, disagreements will break out into arguments. They say una go start to disagree, una go start to argue like say tomorrow no day. When you know say the arguments don't turn to be careful, then you don't tire for your relationship.
I agree with that because everything with the person they do, they irritate you at this point. No more the word I love you don't turn I hate you. You understand? So now vice versa. That means it don't sour. It don't sour. We just pray say make it not reach the one way when they beat each other and all that. If now wait till you don't say oh more and they get too much headache, too much sleepless night, just walk out.
Just walk out really.
Let the team rest.
All right, number 2. They say their presence self could they give you negative feeling. Say they even they around, or you just hear say, I'm coming to see you. You go just start to feel one kind of negative feeling like
Apart
that.
from that negative feeling, it get as you feel there with person. Maybe say before when you there with them, you feel secure, you feel very loved and everything. And then suddenly you go just notice say when you there with the person, maybe you feel they imagine stupid things. Because if they happen, sometimes you feel there with a person when you date, you go just imagine say, what if this person just poison myself? Or you do one badness to me? Different thoughts. And once those thoughts begin to enter your head, you know say this relationship, you don't they enter bus stop, like you don't they slow down for you to drop from the bus, enter new motor, they waka they go.
All right, number 3. You discover say, be like say this person where I date with so no they understand me at all. No matter what I talk, he no go still understand me. She no go still understand me. Then you know say yes, time don't reach for una to do bye.
That one they no manner. How you go there with person who don't understand you still they trick head inside. You talk. Say, no, don't like this. You sneeze. Say, why you they sneeze? What did they make it? No, just understanding herself. I just accept and say, it don't end. And it's true now. You don't need to give yourself a headache. You just end up quietly. Waka your own. Waka your own. Waka.
So you don't hear her. Number 1, we tell you say, when I start to disagree, argument don't come, then you know say wahala don't dey. And when the person present, they give you negative feeling, you know say wahala don't stay there too. And when you they feel say una no they understand on yourself, then you know say gbege don't enter. We still get 2 more to go, but we will tell you after this break. Now still talk, and all of us still there for inside the studio. And then before the break, we tell you, say, 5 things now we won't give you, 5 signs for you to show, for you to know, say, you don't tire for your relationship. And we don't give you number 1, where we say, when arguments start to they come. Then you know, say, hey, when disagreement don't enter argument, then you know, say, wahala don't they. Number 2, when their presence, when they just call you for phone, say, I'm coming to see you, and you don't vex, your face don't change. You were they happy before, because say your partner they come, you just vex, your face change from positive feeling to negative feeling. Then you know, say something is wrong somewhere. And number 3, when una know they understand each other, you don't try, but you notice, say, if I say A, they reason my A to another level. If I say B, she they reason my B to another level. So una no understand each other, then you know, say yes. Something is a go on.
It's a shoe.
Issue.
All right, so make we continue on top the signs then for you to look out for to know, say yes, you don't tire for your relationship. Now, number 4, you not feel like making the effort for each other anymore. As in, you wait for they make effort. Okay, make I try to see him every weekend, or make I just try, make I they give him this special treatment. At a point, you just relent. Oh, I beg, which I even try for. No need. I don't need to put in more effort at all. Then you know, say, wahala dey.
Yeah, you know, say some people feel, say, relationship now bed of roses. Yes, we date each other. Nobody ever talks, say, relationship day. It is easy because it take a lot to do relationship. That's why you see when some people say, I'm not ready to date inside a relationship. Now people will actually understand, say, relationship no be play, no be joke. Because you must create time to make calls. Even sometimes you know go get money, but you must make that call. Maybe you borrow money or buy credit from your network. Borrow credit from your network, take call, send SMS, make sure say you go there. Not be say you go to call and say, okay, send transport and they call your place. On your own you go, you know, won't go there, do extra things, buy them. Oh, you just feel, say, this shirts go fit, I make I just buy them. Even though some girls say, lie, I'm not going to buy a shirt. But it is very important. Now the efforts for relationship that. But once you know, I say, I go fit am sha. I no buy a job.
Well, if you don't get money.
Yes, you don't get money, get the way where you go. You feel even tell her, and I see one shirt, I for buy for you for fine. I don't just get money. But that moment when that moment where you know even just feel like, I beg you, make it go.
No, you know, say sometimes the guy if he want to do something, the man go say, we'll go down, no get strength. Something where on a normal day, you go happy, say me I happy go down. But I say, I beg them.
Amaka, I don't do it before.
I'm not interested.
You don't
do all of us. Don't do all of us at the point. Like,
at the point, just
yes. All right, so number 5. When you stop to the care, because like that's number 4.
Yeah,
you actually go with
number 5.
When you stop to the care about the person, then you know, say, wahala don't enter.
No, definitely. Because sometimes, like, well, she don't really talk for that number 4. If you just decide, say, okay, you won't buy something, you were on a normal day, if you see something, the first person they come your mind and say, this thing go fit this bubble, and then suddenly you see, I'm just, you know what I mean? Or maybe you never chop and you don't even bother. Because you get some times where you say maybe your partner never chop or something, and you go, they worry, say, what's happen now? But let they pain you. Okay, you know like him. What you want chop, make him. If you can't tell you, the day when you come back, you say, I'm not eating. You go say, okay. Just lock up. You just lock up. Thank you. Or if you go chop on yourself, you go no say issue down the day for that relationship.
But make I ask us this question, since all of us now ladies say, what be that thing where men they actually do, where we know they like, where it can actually make us feel say, I think I'm in the wrong relationship.
Oui. One man's meat is another man's poison.
Yes.
Waiting go be my meat. If you be better than poison.
Now which are they ask now? As all of us there here, tell me your own.
I feel sit down now. Man decide say he want to sneeze anywhere, go toilet. You know, no say he's supposed to clean them or
you think they turn you off, right?
It go just irritate me, or maybe I try explain something to him, and it go just they feel oga. You know, no say he's supposed to pipe low once in a while. Try to understand.
To be the girl, then you be the guy.
You go no.
You want to be the guy?
No, you get sometimes you go want to be the guy.
Yes.
Go just like no, wear that jeans. No, wear that jeans. I like that jeans. So no, but no, wear it. I want it.
Just once in a while.
As he go tell you, okay, wear this shirt. I like it. Be like, no, you pay me for like say wear them. I just wear them for you. So for this point now, like you want to be the guy.
In position to say, okay, now like this we go do them.
But the guy
and some guys no they agree. They one day position of authority all the time.
No.
So the thing they turn.
Not turn off for all ladies.
Well, for me, not turn off.
No, serious for me too, not turn up. But for me, I go say, I still talk and I will talk again. Smell. Smell. I beg. You fit do me anything, I will go. In short, I go turn the bad thing where you do to right. I go reason I'm another. Everybody will feel say you wear like, but no smell. No smell. I beg. Hair or nose. When I don't say nose, they smell.
Hey,
nose they smell.
Oh shoot.
I think so.
No, ear they smell, nose they smell, mouth they smell, hair they smell, armpit they smell, navel they smell.
But why would they talk about
feet they smell?
No, that's
so.
Because she say
now
it turn her off.
Now, so I. So, the last one now when you wear boxers for 2 days. It smells sour, so please.
They smell sour.
If the guy know they drive with this kind of Lagos sun.
Waiting. Just make me remember someone who I actually know.
The boxer they smell.
Wait, I will tell you. Now, one of my friend, guy. So one day the guy just come my house. He ain't go toilet, come out. Boxer start to this smell. He boxer start to this. When I go ask my friend, say, I mean, ask him, what thing they happen? Why he boxer they smell like? Because you know, say as he come outside, people just they smell for a body. So now my friend got 10 minutes later, say, he go toilet or say, be like, say, you no wash.
You know tamba where?
Then you go come sit down, see you go come sit down and do like this. You go then they receive this.
The egg go come there. I
just want to ask this question. What about for me, what thing they actually told me of now when maybe now I do something wrong and maybe my guy now they pass me and you know say yes, people they actually all of us they in an argument and then instead of to say oh yeah it's okay let's just leave, he will just join the people they attack. For me that thing that was like I hate that is like no
my own
for me.
Say make the person believe say naim be sent. You don't want get blamed for anything when they happen inside the relationship.
That not taking blame, say I did wrong, the world sorry if you get expensive.
It gets some people where it be say when issue happen, everything not your fault. They don't ever get fault for what happen.
Then go
feel
that's when you do, then go help you crown and tell you say now you
did at fault.
They go just turn and say
I know if you stand up, no.
Hey, Father in heaven. But that you know, we not say be leaks don't talk, you know, say no like girl with smelly.
So we talk our own.
So we talk our own.
Yeah. All right, we're going to need to bath more, babe. When we come back, we go tell you some things then where you need to know if this your partner actually they support your business or your work or not.